Resolution of vector and rectangular component. So we'll discuss about the resolution of vector and its rectangular components. So let's start. A vector directed at an angle with the coordinate axis can be resolved into its component along the axis. This process of splitting a vector into its component is known as resolution of vector. So the vector, if we are splitting a vector in its components corresponding x and y axis, this procedure is known as resolution of vector. Consider a vector r vector is equals to OA as shown in the figure, making an angle with the x-axis. The vector r can be resolved into two components along x-axis and y-axis respectively. Draw two perpendicular from A to x and y-axis respectively. The intercept on this axis are called the scalar components rx and ry as shown in the figure. Then OP is Rx, you can see here OP is Rx, which is the magnitude of x component of R vector, and OQ is Ry, this one is Ry, which is the magnitude of y component of R vector. Clear? So this one is the R vector, OA is representing the R vector, it's making an angle with the x-axis, that is theta. So x component is this one and y component is this one. Okay, so this one is equals to this one, so we can say this one is y component and this one is x component. Clear? From triangle OPA in this triangle, okay, if we find the cos theta will be equals to OP upon OA. Clear? Because this one is 90 degree. Clear? So cos theta will be equals to OP upon OA. Here the value of OP is equals to Rx and OA is R. So cos theta will be equals to Rx upon R, or Rx will be equals to R cos theta. Similarly, we can find the value of sin theta. Sin theta will be equals to QO, this one, upon OA, this one. Clear? So again we know that OQ is equals to Ry and OA is equals to R. So replacing the values, we will get sin theta equals to Ry upon R and Ry will be equals to R sin theta. Clear? Consider this equation first and this one is second. Now square both the equations and add them. So we'll get Rx square plus Ry square is equals to R square into sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, sin square plus cos square theta will be equals to 1. So our equation will be in the form of R square equals to Rx square plus Ry square. Again the value of R will be equals to under root of Rx square plus Ry square. Clear? So we will get the final value of resultant vector will be R equals to under root of Rx square plus Ry square. Now you can see r square is equals to rx square plus ry square. Clear? Now also r vector can be expressed as rx I cap plus ry j cap, because we are considering that the orthogonal vector corresponding x-axis is I cap and y-axis is j cap. So r vector could be written like this: rx I cap plus ry j cap. Clear? So this one is the vector in the form of I and j cap, that means unit vectors. Now in terms of rx and ry, theta can be expressed tan theta equals to ry upon rx, or we can say theta is equals to tan inverse y component upon x component. Clear? So remember this formula: theta equals to tan inverse ry upon rx.